Hi guys, welcome to the third Kotlin Android development tutorial. In this video, I will basically teach you how to use buttons in the Android application and how to set the on-click listeners on the button with the Kotlin syntax. It's really short compared to Java and it looks really beautiful. So let's see what we will build. This is the final app that we will build. We will just click me and it will show hello, or we can replace it with any text message. So the first thing that we're gonna do is create a button in our UI and give it an ID. So similarly, the way we used my text view in the Kotlin file, we can use the button directly here as well. So like in Java, you remember that we used to set new view.onClickListener. Here we don't have to do anything like that. So we just add the brackets and you are done. And you add all the code that you want to execute on click of that button in between these brackets. It's that simple. So we will basically make a toast. Make text and hello toast from Kotlin, and again length long and show the toast. You don't need semicolons, and we will run the app. So basically I'll just go on in the details. So here this is basically a short lambda syntax that Kotlin has provided, and it's pretty intuitive. It's really short to write. It's much cleaner, more expressive. We don't have to write lengthy code and things can be done quickly. So here is the app. You click it and you see the toast. It's that simple. And that's all in this tutorial. I will meet you in the next video and we will discuss something more about functions in Kotlin. Thank you.